Want to discuss some idioms, phrases, and vocabulary that we can use in our conversation.
All right. Have you found some idioms or phrases, or do you want me to make a list for them?
Okay, so
I
first,
wanted to hit the sack, but then I decided I'd be in hot water if I did not come for the session, as I was not able to get time to work on myself. So I decided to come for the session, and I am over the moon right now because I was able to learn something, but I've realized that Rome wasn't built in a day. However, I also realized that without no pain, there can be no gain, and I'm willing to go the extra mile since sky is the limit. So you can kind of, good evening.
hello, ma'am. Good evening. How are you?
All is good. Thank you so much. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
You're doing great. All right. So did you get a chance or did you get time to practice anything we discussed yesterday?
Yeah, today I want to discuss some idioms, phrases, and vocabulary that we can use in our conversation.
All right. Have you found some idioms or phrases or do you want me to make a list for them?
Okay, so first you tell me. I also know some idioms too, but
Let's start with you and then I'll add on to it and we will try to make sentences out of it. All
Mhm.
right. Okay. Let's start.
Hmm.
Which idiom or phrases do you know?
Okay, so first one that is my favorite, but I don't use while conversation with someone. That is every cloud has silver lining. It
Okay. The
means
cloud has a silver lining. Okay.
Mhm. It means if you are facing any difficult situation or bad situation, then it's okay. Definitely, any good situation will come. So
Yes.
that time, suppose if you gave interview somewhere, but you didn't qualify,
Hmm.
but later you really did hard work, you work at your communication skill and other skill, and you got better company. So
Mhm.
that time you can use these idioms. Every cloud has silver lining. Finally, you got your dream job. Yeah. And
Right.
second one is that hit the nail on the head.
All right.
So it means if you are saying something and I agree with you, so that time I can say, yes, you hit the nail on the head. It means you are right.
Absolutely. And you've made good sentences out of it as well.
Okay.
And
And
the grammar is also better today. So good. Good.
okay. Mm,
Yes, you're working.
mm,
That means that is good. All
oh,
right.
mm.
Any other idioms or phrases that you know?
Yeah, yeah, break the ice. That is very common. And
Yes.
it means let's start our conversation. Suppose if we arrange any party and our all guests come over there, and now we start like good morning, or we just want everyone start talking, and so that time we can say let's break the ice, and then we can start any jokes and all. So
Yes.
that time I can use this.
Basically, get rid of any formality or at least start talking is what break the ice basically means.
Hmm.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
That is good.
Hmm.
Next, any other ones that you know?
Again, burn the midnight oil. Yeah.
Burn the midnight oil. All right.
Hmm.
What sentence would you make with that?
Okay, so burn the midnight oil means if you did really hard work and then you achieved something, so that time you can say, I burned the midnight oil to achieve this task.
All right. All right. Wonderful.
And piece of cake, that it means it's very easy, and rocket science, it means something that is very difficult.
Absolutely.
These are idioms. I know more idioms, but now I can't remind those idioms.
All right. Let me just give you the idiom. Maybe you know about it, so you can make a sentence, or I'll tell you the meaning and then you can make a sentence.
Sure.
All right. Okay. The first that we've discussed, break the ice, piece of cake, basics we've discussed, right? Hit the sack. What does this mean? Hit the sack. I'll start typing it also in the chat box so you can make a note of it.
Okay.
You know what the meaning for this is?
Hit the sack. No.
I'll write the meanings also with this.
Okay.
Means go to sleep. Hit
Okay.
the sack means go to sleep. So
Hmm.
now try making a sentence out of it.
Hmm. Okay. So now we are completely drained. Let's hit the sack.
Wonderful. Perfect.
Hmm.
Good. Then the second one is call it a day.
Yeah, I
The
know.
meaning?
Yeah, I know. It means cancel, or no, it means wrap up the session and wrap up, right?
It
The
basically means to stop working, in
oh,
short.
Hmm.
Call it a day is to stop working, whatever, in whatever sense you can use it. Can you make it into a sentence, please?
Hmm. Call it a day. Okay, so as we have been talking for half an hour, so now it's time to call it a day.
Wonderful. Perfect. Okay, okay, do you know about this on cloud nine?
Hmm.
All right, give it a try.
I
Hope
am on,
you can speak.
okay, I am on cloud nine to seeing you on clapingo.
Okay. So cloud nine means extremely happy. So you
Yeah,
were able to make a sentence out of it. Wonderful. Do you know? I think you would know the meaning of this. It's called under the weather.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What does it mean?
Hmm. My son is under the weather, and that's why today I couldn't do anything.
All right. That means unwell, right?
Feeling sick.
Wonderful. 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 What can we use the next one? Okay. Next one we can do butterflies in my stomach.
Hmm. Means we can't hide something like this.
No, try.
Butterfly in my stomach. I
In
have heard these idioms, and it means I can't hide anymore, and I want to explain something, or I want to reveal the truth like this.
yes. So basically it means feeling nervous.
Oh, it means feeling nervous. Oh.
Yes.
Mhm.
So can you make a sentence out of it?
When I gave my first interview, at that time, butterfly in my stomach, but somewhere,
No, no, no. You are right in thinking, but try to be accurate when you convert it into that. So you said when you gave your first interview, butterflies in my stomach. There is no connection between the first half of the sentence and second half.
uh,
Try what connector can you use here?
mm, when I gave my first interview, that time, butterfly in my stomach.
Nine. No. Think more. You are close to the answer and you know the answer. But see, okay, make the sentence in Hindi.
Can I use it was butterfly in my stomach?
No.
No?
Make it in Hindi. I'll tell you what the gap is.
ओके जब मैंने अपना पहला इंटरव्यू दिया उस टाइम मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था मैं बहुत नर्वस थी
ठीक है तो अब दोनों सेंटेंसेस के बीच में आपने क्या वर्ड यूज किया उस टाइम
दैट टाइम
नाउ डोंट गो डायरेक्टली इनटू कन्वर्जन
ओके
see
ओके
what all words can you use for that time or you can use a tense instead of that when I had gone for my interview I had butterflies in my stomach
ओके
at time yeah I had a tense you can use a tense for that right so basically you were right in whatever you wanted to say but since you were not able to connect the sentence so the sense was not being made out of that sentence so you
एग्जैक्ट
have to be careful about these things rest your basics have been at least you're clearing your basics now
या
right
कैन आई
good
ट्राई once more when I gave my first interview that time I had a butterfly in my stomach
butterflies it always has to be plural
ओके
butterflies in my stomach is the idiom
ओके
that is the phrase so you have to use it then we have over the moon do you know the meaning of the same
हम्म
what is it
over the moon means again extremely happy very
oh,
happy
very excited so can you make a sentence out of the same
over the moon. Okay, so as my son' birthday is around the corner, so I'm really over the moon to celebrate his birthday.
Wonderful. Good job. Okay. In hot water, do you know what this means?
In hot water, it means in a difficult situation.
Yes, very good. It means in trouble or in a difficult situation. Good. Can you make a sentence out of this as well?
Hmm. In hot water. Okay. Please don't put me in a hot water. I don't want to explain something like this.
Huh. One thing, you will not say in a hot water.
Oh,
Will not be used. You
oh,
said don't put me in a hot water. You cannot quantify and single put a version of the quantity into singular, right? That
hmm,
is a match. So please don't put me in hot water. Anyways, the phrase is in hot water only. So we
hmm.
will not add any articles to it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Learn the ropes. Do you know what this means?
No, means learn new thing.
No. Learn the ropes means trying to understand how something works.
Okay.
How something works. Yeah.
Learn
Or
the.
learn the ropes.
Okay.
Or if I want to make a sentence out of this, I would say Priyanka is learning the ropes around English. You're trying to understand how English works.
Okay, understand how
You
something.
understand? Like, in what sense can we use? Could be for a language, could be for a machine, could be for a device, could be for a concept, could be for anything that somebody is trying to learn.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm.
Can you make a sentence out of the same?
Okay, so please don't exaggerate the point. Please learn the rope. Can I use like this?
Please don't exaggerate what?
Please don't exaggerate the thing. Please try to know how to learn the rope like this.
You can't know how to learn the ropes. Learn the ropes exactly means to understand something. So we don't need to add the word no.
Okay.
Right. So
Mm.
we'll say, please learn the ropes around this concept. Don't, you won't say exaggerate. You would want to say assume. Do
Okay.
not assume. Exaggerate basically means when you are trying to make something bigger when
Mm.
it is not that big. When
Yeah.
you're just imaginarily giving details about something which is not the truth. That is exaggerating. All
Mm-hmm.
right. So here you want to say, please don't assume how this machine works. Learn the ropes.
Okay.
पहले सीख लो उसको चलाना आप ये मत सोचो ये कैसे चलती है. This is what we are trying to say. Understood?
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
All right. Next, we say buy the book. Buy the book. Do you know what this means?
Buy the book?
Yeah.
No. No.
It means follow the rules strictly.
Mm. Buy
Do
the
you
book.
understand the difference between buy and buy? And buy.
Oh, buy the. I thought.
Okay. See. BUY,
Yeah,
that is mean when you purchase something.
exactly. Mm.
By is a grammatical word.
Mm.
Standing by my side, next to me.
Mm.
By is third by is bye bye.
Oh, last one, right? Yeah.
So now you understand the difference between the three
Yeah.
by.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Wonderful. Then we have, can you make a sentence by the book?
Mm.
Try.
Okay. Once you go to the temple, please buy the book. Means please follow the rule.
Once you go to the temple, uh, follow the instructions by the book.
Follow the instruction by the book. But I
Yes.
have never heard this idioms by the book. Have you heard
It's
it?
a very common. Yes.
It's common. Okay.
Yes. In terms of when people give speeches in terms of institutions or disciplinary actions, then we have to follow this. Like you cannot make rules on your own, you have to follow every rule by the book,
Mm.
like this. So it
Oh.
can be used in this reference. All right, then we have spill the beans.
Hmm.
You know what this means?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Means reveal the secret.
Reveal a secret. Very good.
Mhm.
Can you make a sentence out of the same?
Yeah. Ria planned for her mom's birthday party, but her brother spilled the brains and explained everything to his mom.
All right, good. The ball is in your court.
Mhm.
You know what that means?
Yeah, I know. It's very common, and the ball is in your court. It means now it's up to you. Means now it's your
You
decision.
decide what you want to do. Yes. Can you make a sentence out of it?
Yeah. Whether you go there or not, the ball is in your court.
Wonderful. Good. Hmm. Hit the nail on the head. Okay, this one is nice. Once in a blue moon. Do you know what this means?
Which one?
Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon. Yeah.
Means very rare.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Yeah. So can you make a sentence out of the same?
Mhm. As I am a health conscious, so I go out for dining once in a blue moon.
Very good. Very good. Then we have Rome wasn't built in a day.
Mm.
Understand that?
Yeah, yeah.
What does it mean?
Rome wasn't built in a day. It means you can't get anything just overnight. You have to do
Yeah.
hard work.
Big goals take time. Matlab, हाँ,
Takes, yeah.
Anything on those lines.
Yeah.
Right. No pain, no gain. Something which is a very, very common phrase. No pain, no gain.
I have heard it, but I don't know meaning.
So the meaning is efforts are needed to achieve anything.
Okay.
Efforts are needed,
Okay.
basically.
Okay.
Without efforts, nothing will happen.
Mm,
Right?
mm,
Can you make a sentence out of the same?
no pen, no going. Okay. As I know you want to become doctor, but it's not possible
Hmm.
until you do no pain, no gain.
All right.
It's
You
right.
can't move without no pain, there is no gain.
Hmm.
Become a doctor, you need to follow this theory. We can make something like that. That would be accurate.
Mm.
All right, then we can use go the extra mile.
Means again you have to do hard work.
Put in extra efforts or you have to work harder.
If you want to achieve something in your life, you have to go the extra mile.
Absolutely correct. Then we have the sky is the limit. You know what this means?
The sky the limit.
The sky is the limit.
No, I didn't know. I don't know this one.
Basically, there are no limits to possibilities
Okay.
because sky is infinite, endless. So we
Hmm.
will talk on those lines anyways. There are
Hmm.
no limits to possibilities.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this
Can
time.
I'm making a sentence out of it.
Hmm. You can get whatever you want. The sky is the limit.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, is it right? Most sentences like you can't get anything. What did I say? What I give example? Is it matching to the these idioms?
Yes. Yes. Wherever it wasn't, I just made correct. I made you do the corrections and
Hmm.
we discussed about that. So otherwise, whatever you've said has been correct. All
Okay.
right. Okay. So can you just quickly wrap up as to what all have you learned today from these idioms and phrases?
Yeah, I have learned so many idioms,
Mhm.
and like the sky is the limit, like the no limit to possibilities, right? As you
Very good.
explained me. So, do I need to tell example too?
No, no, no. I want you to have a conversation with me while wrapping up and try to use as many of these idioms that you can. I want to hear it. Try. You can take the reference from the chat box.
Mm-hmm.
No worries.
Okay, so only I have to tell the name. These idioms, I have to tell the name only.
Try
Like,
to use it in a sentence. Oh my God, I feel on cloud nine that I've learned so many new idioms and I will hit the sack after this conversation because I'm a bit exhausted. And then you can tell your family I'm over the moon because I've learned so much from my session today. You know, something like that.
hmm, okay, now as I
Yeah.
know, okay, now as I know, it's time to call it a day. But I was really over the moon when I saw you, and I think it's time to reveal the secret. What was that? I think
Spill the beans.
it's yeah, it's time to reveal the base and
Spill the beans. Spill.
right. Yeah, yeah, and before talking to you, I was really feeling hit the sack. Yeah,
No,
there.
you can't be feeling hit the sack. I was feeling I wanted to hit the sack, but then I decided I'd be in hot water if I did not come for the session as I was not able to get time to work on myself. So I decided to come for the session and I am over the moon right now because I was able to learn something, but I've realized that Rome wasn't built in a day. However, I also realized that without no pain, there can be no gain, and I'm willing to go the extra mile since sky is the limit. So you can kind of use it as a story. You can keep
Oh,
working on this as well. So you will learn so many phrases and you will make so many sentences out of it. You can keep doing that. So whenever we'll keep having sessions, we'll try to kind of make stories out of whatever we learn. So you
oh,
will get a lot of vocabulary, you will understand the flair of this also, and you will be able to weave it quickly also. That
oh,
is how you can keep learning. At least
oh,
these 15-20 minutes can help you learn that, and you can keep practicing whenever you get the time. But
yeah,
you
yeah.
make a note of all these, although it's available wherever you want to search. They are the most basic ones from different categories. And I hope I was able to help you out today with
Yeah,
whatever you
yeah,
had.
definitely, ma'am. And I love the way you teach me. And since I started talking to you, I have become your fan on
Oh,
clapping.
that is so
I
sweet. That is
I
very sweet.
want,
Okay,
yeah,
thank
I
you.
really want conversation with you every day.
Oh, that's sweet. We'll do that. I'll try to do it every day.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.